Hey everyone, learn how to check your activity history and time spent on Instagram. So open your Instagram, then at the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon, and at the top right corner, you will see the three parallel lines. Click on that, and then we will scroll down and you will find your activity. Here you will find your interactions, likes, comments, reposts, reviews, and if you scroll down more, you will find the time spent. So this is how you can check your activity on Instagram, also the time spent, and you can also set the limit. If you want the daily limit on time spent, you can do that, and you can also turn on the sleep mode. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.